Following is the illustration of a rainforest evolution. Um, it's a multi-user contributed project where the only allowed actions were simple strokes, scaling vertically and scaling horizontally, and cloning of frames. So one can clone a frame. And then once the frame is cloned, go to any particular tree and provide the illustration of growth by stretching it a little bit, and do it a number of times for different trees gradually, and also draw a few more branches. And these branches are completely random from multiple users. I'm just providing an illustration here. And then just clone again, repeat the process. The task actually shows us all the different states of the frame right from the first tree. And the playback actually shows you the complete evolution of the rainforest.